Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about pumping at the office or workplace and how mothers can make the routine more comfortable and manageable during work hours. Returning to work while continuing a pumping routine may feel challenging in the beginning, but with preparation and consistency, it often becomes much easier. Before leaving home, make sure your pump parts, storage containers, and cooler bag are clean and packed properly. Keeping everything organized in one bag can save time and reduce stress at work. It is also helpful to plan your pumping times in advance. Many mothers try to pump around similar times each day so the body can stay adjusted to the routine. When it is time to pump, try to choose a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax for a few minutes. Staying calm often helps the session feel smoother and more effective. Before starting, wash or sanitize your hands if possible. Maintaining hygiene at work is very important for safe milk collection and storage. Some mothers also keep extra storage bags, tissues, or cleaning supplies at work to make the process easier during busy days. After pumping, carefully store the milk in clean containers and place them in a cooler bag or refrigerator if available. Cleaning pump parts properly after use is another important step. Keeping everything organized and clean helps make future sessions easier. Balancing work and pumping may feel difficult at first, but over time, many mothers build a routine that works comfortably for them. With preparation, consistency, and a calm mindset, pumping at work can become a smooth and manageable part of daily life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.